All right, this is part 3 of the TestNav Writing SOL Practice Online Audio. Question number 14. Directions. Read and answer the following question. Read this sentence. The pygmy marmoset is the world's smallest monkey and makes real, loud, piercing sounds for its size. In this sentence, how is real, loud, piercing sounds correctly written? Real, loudly, comma, piercing sounds, A. B. Really loudly, comma, piercing sounds. C. Really loud, comma, piercing sounds. D. As it is, meaning real loud, comma, piercing sounds. Question number 15. Directions. Read and answer the following question. Drag the correct answers to the boxes. Which keywords would be best for an internet search about advances to mobile phones? Okay. So this person is going to type into the search bar mobile phones. What two other search terms should they put in if they're trying to find out about advances to mobile phones? Network, technology, communication, usage, change, device. Question number 16. Directions. Read and answer the following question. Select the correct answer. Which graphic would best be used with an article discussing employment opportunities for middle school students? Okay. So let's say you're reading an article about employment opportunities for middle school students. Which of these pictures would go best with it? So this first picture is a map with Main Street, a copy store, library, gas station, pet shop, yard supply, grocery store, community center. This next one is a graph. You have after-school jobs here, like lawn care, child care, pet sitting, newspaper delivery, and then on this side you have money earned in dollars per week for each job. Here you have a picture of a woman with a suit and a briefcase, and then the last one is an advertisement, find the perfect job for you, placement services for teens and adults, after school and summer jobs at Jobco.